Good afternoon, it's me again. Just to do a short video on a winch. And as the weather's so bad outside, the wind, the rain, this weekend and week, I thought I'd do one indoors, save all the wind noise. As I say, if you could subscribe to the channel, it'd be fantastic. And let's carry on. As I say, it comprises of a ratchet strap. Just a long, this is a little good one. This is an army version. It's got a loop on it as well as a hook. As I say, a basic army strap, apart from the loop and the hook. And then a winch rope from Amazon. I'll put the link down below, so you'll see the link from Amazon. It's about 20 quid. So anyway, I'll just move the camera down and just show you how I use it. As I say, it's very handy if you want to winch something onto a trailer quickly and you haven't got a winch on the trailer, or as I've used it in the past, is to winch the trailer to the car. From, say, if the car is a little way away from the trailer and it's hard to reverse up, just snap this onto the car, snap this onto the trailer, winch it up, tie it so the ball is separate so you can drop it straight on. Just winch it up, drop it onto the car, jobs are good. So just a simple video for you, and see what you think. And here we are. So a bog standard ratchet strap. This is an army version. It's got 2 loops on it and a strap. And all it is, simple idea. Clip that to the car, the tow ball of the car, or onto the trailer. If you want to just clip it onto the trailer like so, clip it over there and winch it up. It's so simple. Straight off Amazon, 20 quid. A winching strap. Put it in the slot like that. Nice and neat. You haven't got to tie it because you know how far you're going down, and just then, as you would do with any winch on a ratchet, winch it up. All nice and neat and tidy. My wife's going to kill me for doing this on the kitchen cabinet. As I say, I'll stop there, but you've got the basic idea. Put as much on as you want, and then all I do is shackle an hook to this, or just a plain shackle onto the implement you're trying to get onto the trailer or onto the car. Winch it up. When you're finished, normal ratchet strap, flick it into unlock position and pull it off. And there you go. Very simple. Simple idea. It works a treat. It says keep resetting the ratchet strap. If you're using a ratchet strap, you've got to do 4 foot, 5 foot, 6 foot, and then you've got to reset it all again. With this version, it's straightforward, one winch, job's done, and everything's good. Let's say it's a simple idea. It's there, it's a ratchet strap, no extra money. You must have them knocking around on your trailers, on the other. And as I say, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, it'd help me out. Thanks for watching. From now on, as I say, from there, cheerio, bye bye.